Hello and welcome. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to update plugins and themes on your website. So this is something that you want to do on a regular basis if you have built your WordPress website. If you don't do this, your website can crash. As you can see, my website looks fine from the outside. And if I go inside, this is actually my other website, not the one that we're building. So I'm going to log into my website dashboard. And as you can see, that at a glance I do have a couple of notifications, and at the same time I have updates that I need to and then I just click on updates. So I'm going to show you things that needs to be updated. Obviously it's plugins and it's to do with themes. If you don't do this, then your website can be hacked. Okay, and you can also do customization with child themes, which I'm going to explain on another day or maybe another separate course. Okay, so what I need to do is to select here. I select this. Make sure you select one thing at a time. Okay, and then you just click on update theme. So right now I'm using, this website is using 4.81 and the latest now is 4.83. So you just need to check on your website and then on your website regularly to see if you can actually update. As you can see that it is actually updated and all updates are completed. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to updates again. So if you leave your website like this for a long time, when you want to update, you may bump into issues, or your website might crash. So basically that's what you need to do. And then on the plugins, again, you can select all of them at once, but I recommend you just select one by one and then clicking update and update and update and update and update. Okay, so I'm just going to take a risk and then click on update all of them. And sometimes, in fact, in most cases, if you click update, right? If you click update, whilst your website is still updating like this, if you refresh your website or stop or anything, your website might crash. Okay, your website might crash. There's a way to restore it, which I'm going to do an extra lesson, not on this course, but if someone comes across that challenge, I'm going to do a video on how you can recover your website. Again, you can recover your website by, the first of all is by getting a backup file to restore your website, or you can use other means that we can find what the problem is and what the solution needs to be done. And then again, I'm going to go to my dashboard. Once I go to my dashboard, you're going to realize that all the updates have actually gone through, and I don't know which one is still out of date. Let me just see. There's one plugin here. So that one sign simply means that there is one that is not up to date, or everything is now up to date right here. Okay, so that's how you update your plugins. And some people also prefer to use enable auto updates. When an update is there, this one automatically updates. So the good thing about doing this is that your website will be always up to date, but sometimes doing auto updates can kind of crash your website as well. So it has got the pros and the cons, which you can research more about. So that's basically how you update your WordPress website. And again, that's on the plugins and the themes. And if you need to update the content, then you need to do the posts and the pages as well. With that said, please do share your feedback within our community. I'll be more than happy to assist, and bye for now.